In this video, we talk about how to fix EA College Football 25 Team Builder logo not loading. If you want to fix this issue, so you will need to consider these steps. Step number 1. Check logo image specifications. Ensure your logo is in PNG format. Then make sure it has dimensions of 152 into 152 pixels. Avoid using copyrighted or offensive content. Step number 2. Layer by layer upload. If your logo has multiple layers, upload them one at a time. After uploading the first layer, verify that it's loaded correctly before adding the next layer. Repeat this process for each additional layer you want to add to your logo. Number 3. Login into your EA account. Make sure you have login into your EA account. If not, refresh the page and click the Football 25 logo. This should prompt you to login. After login, try uploading your logo again. Number 4. Clear browsing cache and data. Open your web browser and navigate to settings, then go to privacy. Then find the option to clear browser data or cache. Then select the time frame for which you want to clear the data and click clear now. Then restart your browser and try accessing to Team Builder once more. I hope this video was helpful to you and your problem will be solved after that. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.